Hi, my name is Tiffany Kellogg, author of The 4.5 Networking Mistakes, where we talk about all the things you shouldn't be doing while networking. And today we want to add speed networking. Well, not that speed networking is wrong, but how you do speed networking that might be wrong, that might not be getting you the results that you're looking for. It has to do with the commercial, the pitch, the spill, whatever it is that people are using when it comes time for them to speak. Most people seem to be at these events looking to sell. The problem is that these are networking events, not net selling events. When networking, you want to start working on the relationship, developing the relationship, continuing the relationship. If the person that wants to buy from you, bonus. Whether you have 30 or 60 seconds, a couple of minutes, what you share is muy importante. That's very important in Spanish. You have a short amount of time to make an amazing impression. This could be during a one-on-one breakout or a breakout with a couple of people, or even apply to the whole entire networking group where you have an opportunity to share in front of dozens or hundreds of people. Of course, at the beginning, you want to share who you are and what you do. The majority of time, though, what comes next is where I see people err. I have listened to people list off all their features in their business, whether it's a list of different products and services or the details around their company's history. It really begins to be a ramble. Kind of reminds me of Charlie Brown's teacher. Instead, there are three other options of things that I recommend that you speak about during this time. Could be the benefits, your emotionally charged connection. Number one on the list is benefits. I know they typically go along with features, though whoever put them together got it backwards. It should be benefits, then features. Some people don't care about the features hardly at all, while others, they care about the features only once they know about the benefits to them for the product or service. Lead with the benefits in your commercial. If you have time, you can get to the features, though, again, I think focus mostly on the benefits. Number two on the list is your emotionally charged connection. At Ascentive, we refer to your story or your why you do what you do as your emotionally charged connection. This is a powerful way to help you connect with the people that you meet emotionally. When you only have a couple minutes or less, you'll want to keep your emotionally charged connection concise, though this is one of the quickest ways to help move you from the just getting to know you stage in a relationship to developing the like. For more information, check out tampa.ascentive.com/ignite-your-business or Knock the Socks Off Your Audience, my second book, which is available on Amazon. The last option for what you can include is success stories or testimonials. And I love the power of sharing how you've helped people. Testimonials are stories that we easily remember, and you can squeeze a bunch of details into them, like the type of clients you worked with, the product or service they use, and what resulted. Do note, there are some professions that have restrictions on what you can disclose in a testimonial, so do know, stick to your industry standards, HIPAA, bar restrictions, etc. When it comes to your success story, I would avoid having it be too much about you or the process. Do focus on the success the person has created, what has resulted for them. I have an amazing photographer that took the Ignite Your Business program at the beginning of 2019. By the end of the year, Eric let me know he's increased his revenue by 8%, which isn't a huge growth, except when you consider now he was able to reduce his work week by 25%. I call that a success. I have the opportunity to share with others. Here's how I've helped people make money, save time, and have more fun. Once they're interested or intrigued, then I get the opportunity to say, and I do that through a program where we learn how to create a system to have a steady flow of referrals in our business. It's called Ignite Your Business, and it's 10 modules, and then I can get into all of the details that go around with them. When people hear the success or they hear why you do what you do, or they hear the benefits that are created, that gets them interested in learning more. And that's the goal, is to start a conversation when networking, begin the relationship, or dive deeper, creating a stronger relationship. These components are a powerful way to do so. Do you have a thought of another topic that we could use in this middle section of your commercial? Please leave it in the comments below. Now, what are we going to do to wrap it up? It's time for that call to action. Remember, we're networking, so it could be a request for a referral or an introduction to a referral source. It could be let's get together and have the opportunity to learn more about each other, whether this is in person and on our Zoll, which is what I call a Zoom call, or maybe invite them to an upcoming event. It should not be, hey, do you want to buy from me? Hopefully, with the implementation of just a little bit, you're going to begin to see better results from your speed networking and your commercials at network. I would love for you to come back and comment with your successes should you try one or many of the things that we've shared today. One last thing, should you meet someone new or renew a relationship, remember that it's very important to follow up. Make sure you reach out to them after the event to continue the conversation. It might be something as simple as like, let's connect on LinkedIn or Facebook, or let's sit down and talk about how we can refer each other. A don't to go along with this though is don't start spamming everyone. Just because that you saw them and they were at the same event doesn't mean you need to try to sell them. Happy networking, y'all. P.S. Thank you so very much for watching today's video. Hopefully it's going to help you get better results when you're networking. Be sure to like the page, subscribe, follow, so you can get more tips on making the most and generating those referrals so you can make money, save time, and have more fun.